Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make this LEGO Ahsoka, which is based off her appearance in The Mandalorian and her own show. So without any further ado, let us begin. Firstly, the legs come from this Batman minifigure. I used the waist cape from the 212th Airborne Trooper. The torso that I used comes from Admiral Pride. And everything else comes from the Clone Wars Season 7 Ahsoka Tano. If you've done that all correctly, your minifigure should now hopefully look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building it. Overall, I'm very happy with the way that this minifigure has turned out. Hopefully it will have an official minifigure by the time that the Ahsoka show has wrapped up. If you have any video ideas that I could do in the future, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you could give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe you could subscribe. You may be interested in my tutorial on how to make the client from The Mandalorian Season 1, so I'll put that on the end screen for you if you're interested.